Hello! Today I'm going to make pesto chicken. So basically I've got some chicken breasts, some pesto from a jar, you can make your own but I'm not, tomatoes, onion, mushrooms, some cheese, some garlic, some parmesan cheese and some cheddar cheese with some olives, and hopefully it'll be really nice. So first I'm going to start off, I've just washed my hands. I'm going to start off by putting the chicken breasts one at a time into a dish. Careful not to get anything everywhere. Get rid of that straight away. Again. Then I'm going to add pesto to the chicken to cover it, like a teaspoon for each chicken breast, I think, so it's nice and juicy. And rub that all in and let that just soak in with the juices while I prepare the other things. Put that to one side. Just give my hands a quick wash. Every time I touch chicken I like to just give my hands a wash. Then tomatoes. So thinly slice. I've picked some nice juicy vine tomatoes, but you can use any you like. Put your fingers. Then I'm going to slice half an onion. Carefully again with my fingers. And then lastly the mushrooms. Go. So, and then I'm going to start, I'll put the mozzarella on, just sprinkle that around. That was just one of the rounds that you can buy from the supermarkets in a little packet. And I'm going to put on the onions. And then the tomatoes. And I'm going to add the olives. Just sprinkle if you want. Just to give it that Mediterranean feel. And the mushrooms. And I've already finely chopped 3 little garlic. Just sprinkle that around. A little bit of Parmesan cheese. And then lastly, some grated cheddar. Now, how easy was that? So I'm going to pop that in the oven for about 40 minutes and it should be all lovely and juicy. Okay? Gas mark 5, I think. Okay? Moment of truth. 40 minutes later, that looks absolutely delicious and the smell is awesome. So that's what I'm having for my tea tonight. Pesto baked chicken, crusty bread and a nice salad. See you next time.